In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Eclipse for JavaFX 17. Let's download Eclipse. Download. This is 2021-09. Download. It will take for a while. Load it. You can install Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Make sure you are using JDK 17. This is the installation directory under your username. My username is Ken. Install. Upside thumbs. Installation that will take it for a while. Launch it. Okay, default workspace. So this is the first page. Let me close donate. Default setup for Eclipse does not support JavaFX, so let's go to Eclipse MarketPlace. You can type FX. It will give you a plugin for supporting JavaFX for Eclipse 17.0. Install it. Upset the terms of the agreement. Finish. Okay, it will take for a while to install. Restart now. Okay, this is the first page. Let's close welcome page so that we can start a new project. Let's look at the preference, Java. The first step is making sure you can include JavaFX library. So I will say JavaFX. Okay. Just to set the name of the library. Now we are actually going to add JavaFX SDK 17.0.1 Java files. Normally we call it as JavaFX library. Select them all. Open. So that it will look like this. Apply and close. Now we can create a new JavaFX project. New. Other. JavaFX and JavaFX project. Okay, it's going to come with the main, fxml, and the controller. You can name your project. In my case, I'm using JDK 17.0.1. For this project, you can add library. In this case, we are looking at JavaFX, user library, JavaFX, check, finish. So that we can use JavaFX library for this project. Next, here desktop OK, application OK, language, we are using fxml. Name of the fxml sample we changed to anchor pane. Controller name. So that in terms of design, we can use Java Scene Builder. In terms of codings, we can focus on sample controller Java. Let me remove model info. I prefer non-modular programming. Okay. So this is a main class. There's nothing we need to edit. Sample controller. This is how it looks like. This is fxml for user UI. Here, make sure you have on the JavaFX, you select the Scene Builder. Okay, is on the username, and then AppData will be usually hidden. So make sure you set up that JavaFX Scene Builder, so that once you set up, you can open with Scene Builder. So we have anchor pane. Again, looks like empty, but you can go to here, preference size. For width, I will say 600. Then you can have a preference for height. I will say 400 pixels. Now it appears on screen. So this simple demonstration, I will have one button, then one label. Okay, for controller, make sure you have a package name and controller name. So this label we can change to message. This FX ID will work as a object reference variable for this label. So LBL message. This is button. OK. Reference we will say btn. OK. When you click this button, we want to take action, so we call it as a handler. Handle btn OK. Save it. Right hand side mouse click on fxml, source, and generate controller. Okay, because we already have the controller, so let me change name. Change to controller. Okay. So we are no longer using sample controller. We are using controller. So let's remove. Okay, now we are going to look at controller Java. Okay, as you can see, there are two private data fields, then one methods. Okay, we are using LBL message, set text, then we can say hello world. Okay, that's it. That's how we can display hello world on label. Okay, let's see what will happen if we try to run it. Okay. Okay, that's what we want to do. Okay, is looking for controller. Okay. Okay, JavaFX runtime components are missing. So that actually means we have to set up run configuration. When we run it, we have to add additional arguments, what we call as a VM argument, model path, so that this project can actually use external library. Again, let me just copy. Here, I add the models, then JavaFX controls, without space, JavaFX fxml. Apply. Let's run it. Okay, this one. Okay, sample fxml. I think we changed the name of the fxml documents. That's why we have this error. So kind of simple mistake. Let's go back to SceneBuilder and then controller. Make sure you have a controller. Okay, because I changed to controller, then remove sample controller. So let's change. Save it. Let's try again. just in case you refresh it so that you can see controller. Okay, let's run it. Okay, this time you have one button and label. When you click, hello world appear. That's all. Thank you.